Are you a budding entrepreneur looking to establish or already established a business in India? Then you must be wondering about the legal protocols to be followed post-incorporation. Well, if that's the case, then you're at the right place. This video will help you understand and navigate through all the requisite mandatory registrations for your business to help you ensure complete legal compliance. These registrations not only give legal validation to your business but also open up possibilities for multiple benefits and protections. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's start with your business PAN. PAN or Permanent Account Number is a unique number that the Income Tax Department issues in the name of your business. It's mandatory for all businesses operating in India. With a PAN, your business can perform everyday operations like opening a bank account or applying for credit. However, its main purpose is to complete income tax compliance, like tax payment and filing of tax returns. Moving ahead, we've got TAN, or Tax Deduction Account Number. Business owners need a TAN to deduct tax at source or to collect taxes on behalf of the government. In simpler terms, TAN is your gateway to legally deduct taxes and file TDS returns in India. Next on our list is the Shops and Establishment Act registration. This is a state-based registration, mandatory for all businesses, regardless of size and type. Even work-from-home businesses need this. What's the purpose? Well, the registration is required to entitle the Labor Department to check and regulate working conditions in these commercial establishments. The next important registration is the Professional Tax Registration. This is applicable only in a few states where professional tax payment is necessary for all employees and professionals. Businesses are required to take this registration for two reasons. Firstly, to pay professional tax in their name, and secondly to deduct professional tax from their employees. For this purpose, PTEC and PTRC registrations can be separately applied for. To check the applicability of professional tax in your state, visit the link in the description. Next, let's move to Employees Provident Fund or EPF registration. If your business has more than 20 employees, registering with the EPF organization becomes a necessity. Since EPF is a social security scheme for your employees, you, as an employer, must also contribute towards it. This is exactly why you need an EPF registration in your name. Heading to ESI or Employee State Insurance Registration. ESI is for those who want to secure their employees' health, medical needs, and temporary or permanent disablement. Businesses with 10 or more employees drawing a gross salary of up to 21,000 rupees must register under ESI. Next up is GST registration, a revolutionary tax reform in India. GST applies to merchandise businesses with annual turnover above 40 lakh and service providers with annual turnover above 20 lakh. However, certain taxpayers must register and pay GST regardless of their turnover. GST registration ensures tax compliance for businesses supplying goods and services. Next in line is the Startup India registration. Started by the Government of India, this initiative offers benefits like affordable patent filing, tax exemptions, and funding opportunities to startups recognized by the government. The recognition is granted based on certain eligibility criteria like age of startup, turnover, business objective, and so on. Finally, we have the MSME registration. For businesses that fall under the micro, small, and medium enterprises category, MSME registration is beneficial. It provides benefits like credit at low interest rates, capital investment subsidies, and tax rebates. Eligibility for MSME registration depends on annual turnover and investment limits as well. There you go, we have covered almost all the mandatory post-incorporation registrations for businesses in India. Apart from this, you might have to take activity-based registrations to comply with the regulations specific to your industry. Now that you know about the mandatory registrations your business needs, it's time to take action. Go ahead and talk to our consultants for further guidance. We will help you obtain all these registrations timely and without any hassle. Before you go, hit that like button if you found this information useful. Share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs and don't forget to leave us a comment below. And, hey, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now would be a perfect time. Thank you for watching.